Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning the 25 most frequently used words in daily life. Hello.
Привет.
Bye.
Пока.
Yes.
Да.
No.
Нет.
Thank you.
Спасибо.
You're welcome.
Пожалуйста.
Sorry.
Извини.
How are you?
Как дела?
Good.
Хорошо.
Bad.
Плохо.
It's okay.
Нормально.
Maybe.
Может быть.
Of course.
Конечно.
I.
Я.
You.
Ты.
You.
Вы.
He.
Он.
She.
Она.
We.
Мы.
They.
Они.
What?
Что?
When?
Когда?
Where?
Где?
Why?
Почему?
How?
Как?
Quiz time.
Ты. Ты. Конечно. Конечно.
The answer is
Спасибо. Спасибо. Пока. Пока.
The correct answer is
Когда? Когда? Извини. Извини.
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next video.